I like the fact that you've got all this wall art as well. That's pretty cool. I said I like all the wall art. You got a little bit of everything.
I moved there. There's 2 holes in the floor, and this is all cement blocks in here.
Wow.
And I put all plywood in and painted it. Painted the ceiling. Even has.
So it's a what? A Chevy Vega?
72. Yeah, 72 Chevy Vega. Yeah, 74.
Chevy. It's your car and you don't know.
74.
A 74?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, from what I've read, there's meant to be a 4-cylinder aluminum block under the hood.
Used to be, yeah.
That's not a 4-cylinder aluminum block.
That's a V8.
That's a V8. So what is this motor and what's being done to it?
It's a 350. They poured out 3 over with 12 to 1 pistons. Got a 525 lift hydraulic can. And a 350 transmission in the back. With a
So,
Ford rear end.
Ford 9-inch rear end?
Yeah.
What do you think this is making?
Oh, I'm not sure horsepower, but it's probably runs 10s.
Tons.
409.
What's that, about 800 horsepower?
About 7.
800 horsepower. I can open the door. I may well. So how long have you had this?
Probably about 10 years.
10 years? That is crazy.
See his back half, you know, see the roll bars back there?
Yep.
But the front ain't even hooked to the back, so that's the biggest problem. I have all them parts.
So you got to put them all on?
Now I'm going to sell it.
You going to sell it?
Somebody wants it, they can put it on.
Fuel cell back here?
Yeah, and the battery.
Well, you got to have a little bit of traction back here, you know.
Yeah, it breaks, believe me, the front end comes off the ground.
I was going to say, yeah, just looking at those tubs. How big are those rear wheels?
I'm not sure, but see, I cracked the fiberglass, and I didn't know when I pulled the wheels off the ground, I cracked this side and the other side.
Wow.
I didn't know these fiberglass, but I do now. I should have had them bars right here on them wheelie bars. I didn't.
So, Mickey Thompson's? Yeah. That's crazy. I see you got the nice side exhaust there.
3-inch.
3-inch all the way back.
And muffler's on there about this long. You never coming, you never going.
What are you doing for shocks back here?
Oh, it's all third link.
Is it a 4-link?
Yes.
Wow. Yeah, I don't know why you'd want to sell it other than the price of gas.
$18.95 a gallon.
Yeah.
You bet on it. I use airplane gas in this.
Is that just because of the compression, or?
Well, it is, but everybody uses it for racing. It gives you, it's better running on the brake line.
Because he had it too far over?
No, he just didn't have it in right, you know, that was right wrong part. So anyhow, I had a buddy of mine and down in Redline, he actually made this.
Oh, he custom built the disc for you?
He took that baby and he's a machinist.
Okay.
And put it on there. Anyhow, when the guy was putting my wheel back on, he lifted it up down like that. The whole front end went up. He said, "Whoa, whoa, whoa! Wait a minute!" I said, "This ain't right." He said, "That's a death trap."
He didn't do this, did he?
No, in here, inside of here, it's a bubble. It's got to be in that bubble.
Yeah.
So somebody tightened it up and never put it down in the bubble.
Yeah, as soon as you said it rocked backwards and forwards, because I'm used to messing around motorbikes, so I was like, yeah, I know where that is.
And I thought, man.
So what technically is this?
This is actually 1981 AMF Sporster. So Harley was going out of business, so he sold it to AMF.
Okay.
For I think it was 5 years, and then Harley bought it back.
Okay.
Somebody said to my brother one time, "They ain't worth money." He said, "Wait a minute, wouldn't have been for them, Harley wouldn't be in business today. What are you talking about?" You know.
Yeah.
So it's still Harley, just AMF had bought it for.
So it was that little period where they sold it and then brought it back.
Yeah. They make you ever see AMF on
Yeah.
bowling pins?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's crazy, isn't it?
Yeah. They make all kinds of stuff, really. So
you're going to be selling this as well, huh?
yeah, I can't ride with my fingers like this. That's what my fingers fix. I might do that. I ain't sure about this yet, but this thing here's too expensive.
Yeah, you've got a few expensive toys, and along with expensive toys come expensive tools.
Yeah. I got a lot of them. My brother used to sit around the bar all the time drinking, you know. He came down to my house and he needed this tool, he needed that tool, and I gave it to him. He says, where the hell did you get all these tools? And I said, while you were sitting in the dungeon there drinking beer, I was out here working.
That's how it works.
But he did that till it killed him.
So is this set up to run now?
Yeah, I don't know the other day.
Oh, you did? Oh, it's street legal?
It's actually antique tagging.
Ah, that's even better.
Yeah.
I got a car show to go tomorrow.
Yeah.
Might need a car to take. I like the piece of wood there. That's
It won't start as a piece of wood there. Everybody thinks going to steal it, they're not.
because without the piece of wood, you ain't going anywhere. That's
I can
great.
adjust that if I want to, but it's just,
It's a good safety feature.
yeah.
Looks good in there.
Belts, piece, all kinds of stuff. Those are $4,000.
Oh yeah, those things are not cheap, especially when done right.
Yeah. So I mean, if I put that on here, I don't care if you pull those things. Just that I'm afraid now you come down this, there might turn straight up in the air. Oh, with that.
This is a beautiful car.
Yeah, it is.
Any chance I can hear it run?
Yeah. We didn't get my DVDs breakfast.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, when David pulled the air filter off the Mustang the other day, I was like, you need to put something over that so you don't drop anything in it.
Yeah.
And he's like blowing leaves around. I'm like, boy, he's like, he's been in the field for 12 years. I'm like, yeah, exactly.
Yeah, actually, when Nate was there last week, the week before last year, I had to run in, and I came out the next morning, and all this is green down here. I said, what
Oh,
the
it's leaking fuel.
Well, I got to looking underneath there, and I seen this here was leaking, so I found the accelerator pump. So I have carburetor parts everywhere. Matter of fact, I got that one right there. I took the part out of that, put in this one. That was rebuilt too. That's a 350 back there too. That's a nice looking motor. I rebuilt that, drove it top and home, brought it back down, and I took the engine out, put 305 in it, and I sold to a brother down in Tennessee.
Wow.
So,
That is nice.
it is.
I need a car to go with that motor.
Well, I was thinking about this one here isn't all beefed up. It's bored out 12 to 1. I mean, it's bored out to 60 over, but it has flat top pistons.
Okay.
This one here has the pop-ups, you know.
This is a higher compression motor, period. So
I started since I rebuilt it. I want to see if it leaks. You just come up and turn that off and shut it.
yeah. Well, we don't want you being in that position. Quite possibly.
Get warm. And this
They-
summer they was hot.
Oh, I'm sure.
I went on the road. I didn't go far. Anybody was hot, and I just took all the leaves like that's why they cracked.
How high was the front end, do you think?
I don't know. It was pretty low.